Assalamu alaikum. If you are out of office and have emergency to edit a Word document, then let's learn how to edit a Word document in mobile. First of all, you have to download the mobile application, and that is Mobi Office. Just open Play Store and search Mobi Office application and then download that application. Mobi Office application. Movie Office. I just search and download this application. I have already downloaded, so I will just click only on open. Click on open and then open your file, and here click where you want to edit. I just click on this and edit the specific part. You can bold, you can italic, you can underline, you can increase or decrease the font size. You can also increase or decrease the font size through plus symbol and minus symbol. You can edit anywhere. I just click here and edit the picture. You can increase or decrease the size of the picture. Here this is text box. I just click on this. Now I would like to move the picture. Click on this and carry anywhere. Click on text box and just move where you want to fit. You can fit. Click on this and click on three dots and come down text wrap and click on behind the text. Now you can put this picture anywhere on page in your mobile, just like in MS Office, in computer or laptop. You can also fit this picture behind the text or in front of the text. Do again, and I just bring this picture in front of the text. Now you can see this picture is in front of the text. I just put here and leave. Do again. I would like to bring this text in front of the picture. Click on this and do text wrap. I put this text down the picture, and now I would like to save this file. Click on file and click on save as, and click on Word document and rename the file, and then click on save. Your Word edited document will be saved in your mobile, and now you can send to your boss or someone else. Thank you.